Tammy Slaton has been through one of the most transformative journeys in reality television history. From battling life-threatening obesity and addiction to surviving medical emergencies and grief, the 1000 lb Sisters star has risen from the depths of despair to claim her health, happiness, and voice. But while fans have closely followed her physical transformation, it's her emotional growth, and especially her relationships, that continue to draw the most attention. Now, with the news of her deepening connection with Andrea Dalton, fans are buzzing about what this relationship really means for Tammy's future, both on screen and off. The new update reveals a major turning point in Tammy's life and may signal that the TLC favorite has finally found not just love, but peace. Tammy and Andrea's relationship has been making waves across social media, with speculation running rampant since they two were first spotted together. At first, the two were thought to be just friends, sharing smiles and support in TikTok lives and Instagram stories. But the body language, the subtle signs, and the consistent presence in each other's lives quickly turned fan curiosity into full-blown theories. And those theories seem to have been validated, as Tammy has now confirmed in her signature confident way that what they share is indeed real, and it's serious. In a recent post that shocked even longtime followers of the Slaton sisters, Tammy revealed that Andrea has been a constant in her life, not just as a companion but as an emotional anchor. "She makes me feel like I'm safe," Tammy shared through tears in a heartfelt video, "like I don't have to fight every battle on my own anymore." The post was flooded with supportive comments, many of which praised Tammy for her courage in opening up about her feelings and for choosing someone who appears genuinely grounded and present. Andrea Dalton, a name that many fans are just beginning to learn, isn't a reality TV star, but her presence has already made a huge impact in the 1000 lb Sisters fandom. Described by insiders as a soft-spoken, no-nonsense woman who values loyalty and discretion, Andrea has remained mostly private until now. With Tammy's latest public acknowledgement, Andrea is being gently ushered into the spotlight, and it's clear the two are navigating this together, step by step. Sources close to the couple say that their relationship began as a friendship built on mutual respect and understanding. Andrea didn't care about Tammy's fame, a family insider revealed. She just saw someone who needed love without conditions. That approach struck a deep chord with Tammy, who has often expressed how difficult it has been to find people who see past her past and into her present self. Unlike previous romantic entanglements that felt performative or chaotic, this one seems rooted in authenticity. But that's not to say there haven't been challenges. Tammy's history with relationships is complicated, and fans have seen her get hurt, emotionally and physically, by people who either exploited her vulnerabilities or couldn't handle the pressure of her high-profile life. This time, though, things feel different. Supporters are picking up on Tammy's calmer demeanor, the way she talks about love, and her visible growth in setting boundaries and communicating with clarity. Family members, especially sister Amy, have reportedly been watching the relationship unfold with cautious optimism. "Tammy's been through hell," a source close to the family said. "So when we saw Andrea step in, we weren't sure what to think. But over time, it became clear this wasn't another fleeting connection. Andrea is consistent. She doesn't get involved in drama. She's there because she cares about Tammy, not the cameras." That support has been crucial during some of Tammy's toughest months. After her husband Caleb passed away, Tammy went through a period of intense mourning. It was Andrea who stood by her during those dark days, showing up when few others did. And while Tammy didn't rush into a new romance, her bond with Andrea organically shifted into something deeper, something that helped her begin healing in ways no one else could. Fans have also noticed that Tammy is showing more of herself these days, more of her humor, her creativity, her passion for makeup and self-expression. Andrea is said to have played a huge role in encouraging Tammy to embrace the sides of herself she had long suppressed. Whether it's helping her film beauty tutorials or simply reminding her to breathe, Andrea's influence has been described as quiet but powerful. The couple's recent appearance together at a community event in Kentucky caused an online stir, with photos showing them holding hands and sharing genuine smiles. No red carpet, no glitz, just two women standing side by side, radiating a sense of peace and partnership. That outing was followed by a surprise joint livestream where they answered fan questions and addressed rumors head-on. "We're not here to prove anything to anybody," Tammy said. "But we're happy, and we're taking it one day at a time." Tammy also spoke candidly about what she's learned from her past. "You can't force healing," she said. "And you can't expect someone else to fix you. But when you find someone who wants to walk the journey with you, not carry you, not control you, just walk with you, that's special." Andrea, sitting beside her, nodded with a small smile, offering a brief but powerful statement of her own, "I'm just her. To support her in whatever makes her shine." The reaction to their live stream was overwhelmingly positive, with thousands of comments pouring in, many thanking Tammy for her openness and praising Andrea for her calm energy. Even critics of past relationships had to admit, this one seems different. Fans used hashtags like #TammyandAndrea and #HelingJourney to spread the news, turning their moment into a viral celebration of love, growth, and second chances. Of course, in the world of reality TV, nothing is ever truly private, and speculation is already swirling about whether Andrea will make a formal appearance on the next season of 1000 LB Sisters. Producers have reportedly approached Tammy with ideas, but she's said to be taking control of how much of her relationship she's willing to share. She's protective of this one, a TLC insider confirmed. She doesn't want it to be ruined by drama or editing. She's drawing her own lines this time. Meanwhile, Tammy has been more active than ever on social media, engaging with fans, showcasing her post-weight loss glow, and sharing empowering messages about self-love, grief, and resilience. Her voice has become louder, stronger, and it seems her relationship with Andrea is amplifying that even more. As for the future, Tammy hasn't confirmed any wedding bells or moving plans, but sources say she and Andrea are exploring their next steps with intention and care. "There's no rush," one source emphasized. "They're just enjoying this phase, learning each other, supporting each other, and building something real without pressure." Quote, "The Slayton sisters have always given fans plenty to talk about, but Tammy's latest chapter may be the most compelling yet." After all the chaos, heartbreak, and health scares, viewers are finally witnessing what happens when a woman takes her power back and surrounds herself with people who truly her. Andrea Dalton may not have been who fans expected, but she might be exactly what Tammy needed. In a reality television world often built on conflict and spectacle, Tammy's new relationship feels like a rare moment of realness, proof that love, in its truest form, doesn't have to be loud or dramatic. It just has to be steady, supportive, safe, and if Tammy's smile is any indication, she's found just that. Only time will tell how this relationship evolves, but one thing is certain, Tammy Slayton is no longer defined by her past. With Andrea Dalton by her side, she's writing a new story, and this time, she's doing it on her own terms. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.